Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at WordPad and some of the basic function in WordPad, right? So I'm going to come right down here in my taskbar because I already have it pinned in my taskbar. So I'm going to click on it, right? Waiting on it for it to come up. So I'm going to go through in detail, right? The different function in this document here, all right? First thing you notice, it will look exactly like Microsoft Word, right? First thing, we want to look right up here with the WordPad sign, right? This itself is a saving icon. You can actually redo or undo, right? When you click right here, so this is a quick access toolbar right here, and here, which is a document, where we put the document name, right? So first you want to look at the File tab, the Home tab, and the View tab. But if you notice, this is the Home tab, right? The Home. So the Home, when I click on the Home, what you really see is a ribbon. And within the ribbon, you can see some group. So clipboard is one group, font is one group, paragraph is one group, insert is one group, editing is one group, right? And we're going to be looking at some of these individual, right? When you click on the Word file, right, you can click Open, New to get a new document, right? Open to give you a different set of document. Save is when you actually type something in a document and you wanted to save it. Save as, we're going to actually put a name. You can actually save it in rich text document, alright? You can actually put it Office XML document. You can actually open document text and all of that. So you can actually save it in a plain text and other format, right? You can also preview it, right, and get a quick print and print it by selecting the amount of numbers, the copy, and all of that. Right here, you can actually do a page setup right here, right, and put it like in a different areas like landscape. You can change the margin and all of that. So here is showing that you can actually email it to somebody, right, and this tell you about the WordPad, and you can click right here to exit. So now we're familiar with this area now. Now notice this is the home. So in the home, you can actually bold, you can actually italic right here. If you notice, you can actually change the font size here. You can actually increase the number here. This also increase the number. This little pen right here can actually highlight the color, right? And if you click right here, you can actually move the thing in the center and the left, right? You can also indent. You can put like bullets here. You can give like line spacing, right? And you also can insert picture right here. You can actually draw on this canvas here. You can actually insert date and object. Alright, so let us click on view. Right here, we can actually zoom it in and we can zoom it out 100%. Right, if you notice, this is a ruler which is right here. And if I uncheck that, you notice no ruler. If I click it again, gone. Right, so very important. Right, and here is status bar. I click it, there's nothing. Right, if you notice, what you mean that is status bar. Right down here is the status bar. Alright, so look here. When I click right here, the status bar, you notice nothing is there. It move. Alright, so you can zoom it in. So I click and check it again. And gone. Right here, you can actually do some word swapping here by changing swap to Windows. Right, or no swapping or swap to rulers. Right, and then you have measurement right here. You can put it in inch. You can put it also in centimeter. Right, so very important. So now look at some of these. Right, this ruler here tell exactly where your margin are. That's very important. When you come here, this little thing look like a minus. What it does is to minimize the document in the taskbar. Right? And this one here, maximize and it also restore down. And this one here, close the document completely. But if you come all the way here, this is the plus, zoom in and zoom it in and out. This one here can actually zoom it in. So this inside this, you can, if you click right here, it actually move. But if you notice, if I click on the minus, notice the page, take time going in, as so small, and if I click back on the plus, actually taking it back out. Right, so very important, right? So now we look at some of these figures. Now what we want to try to see if we can actually type in a document, right? So click right here at home now. We're going to type something now. We're going to say my, right? We're going to look at it and say, oh, this, my name is John Brown. John Brown. Right? So now we have this here. So we're going to put the cursor in front here, and then we're going to click enter, carry it down some more. So we want to block it. Right? So now we block it, we're going to do some formatting. First thing we wanted to do is to bold it. Here, we're going to come right here, carry bodies, we're going to change the font style. Right, clicking on that, you notice it's actually changing font style. So if I come right here, this little pointer here, 11, I can actually increase the font size, and if I come right at this big A here, I can actually increase the font size. If I come a small one, I can actually take it down, right? And if I come right here, you notice I can actually give it a nice little color right here, like that. And if I click right here, I can actually highlight the whole entire thing, right? So if I come right here, I can actually center it, can actually justify it, right? Notice, take it back to there. Alright, if you notice now, we can actually indent, right? Indent back to your left. This now we can actually give the line spacing to 1.5 and all of that. So very important. Here we can actually draw within this particular document. So you see exactly that this document can format and all that. So we're going to click now, we're going to try see if we can put a photo to this particular Word document here. So if you don't have Microsoft Word, you can actually use this one here. Right, so we're going to click at the pointer picture right here, and when we click right there, you actually see this text up right here. Alright, so we're going to click on it, and then we're going to click on the word open. Right, there you go, and then we're going to click on the photo, and then we're going to size it in like that. Alright, notice how easy. Alright, and there we go with this. So very important here that we understand. So I hope you have learned something from this video. So remember to like,